Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another firmware update from Fuji this past week. So if you have a X-T4, X100V, the X-Pro3, and also the GFX series 100 cameras, there is a new firmware update. I will leave links down in the description below. They all vary a little bit, but one thing is in common with them all. They seem to always mention, this seems to be Fuji's regular thing that they add on their firmware updates. It's a minor firmware bug has been fixed. So I have no idea what that is. I updated my X100V. Everything seems to be working all right. I am filming this with the X-T4. It is working fine. So if you have one of these cameras, go down into the description below, check out the link to your specific camera and download that new update. Give it a try. It's always appreciated if you leave a comment if you've seen any kind of improvements. Fuji is always vague on a lot of these updates, and it'd be nice to see if anybody can actually pinpoint something in terms of these minor bug fix. Now, if you are updating your camera, I always recommend to do it via the SD card over the app on the Fuji app. I still have never been able to get it to connect properly to either my X100V or the X-T4, so I recommend just avoiding that altogether. Use the SD card, format your SD card, get that update installed. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Just a quick one today. Wanted to point that out, and that's all, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.